You know, Ruben, I feel like so many of our guests are pointing to the chip sector. We know it's very important, but often they're looking at the SMH. Why are you calling out AMD specifically? What do you like there?
Hi, thanks for having me, Courtney. Yes, so on AMD, there are a lot of good things going on. The company is in its third or fourth year of really executing well on a product roadmap that we like. They're expanding their share away from consumer and into the data center markets. And really the focus at Stifel here with these set of names that we came out with this morning is on data center. And we think that's going to be a really big driver of growth for not just AMD, but the semiconductor sector in general over the next several years. And so when we look at AMD, you've got that expansion of exposure to this market that we like. That's going to bring with it margin expansion, I think over time, a really nice CAGR and accelerated earnings growth. So when we put all of that together, I think one of the things that's going on, I think Tyler and Bob were talking about investor sentiment. I think sentiment has gotten very negative across the space. And unlike some of its peers, AMD is one of the few companies that really hasn't lowered its near-term outlook. So I think investors are a little bit worried about that, again, given some of the consumer exposure. But we like the product roadmap and we like the way the setup looks as we look out over the course of the next several quarters and even longer term.
And how about Intel, obviously doing this big groundbreaking on this headquarters in Ohio that's made an awful lot of headlines? Any of that playing into your thesis as they sort of look to produce more domestically for Intel?
Sure. So on Intel, we have a hold rating on Intel and certainly rooting for the company. But we believe that the new management team at Intel has a bit of work ahead to catch up on a few years of some missteps and some market share loss to companies like AMD. And so while we do think that there are interesting things going on, Intel is going to be spending quite a bit of capital expenses on some of these factories that you're talking about in Ohio and elsewhere. And I think over the next several years, we'll see. But it is a wait-and-see story for right now. And so we are waiting to look at some milestones. And as we see those milestones, we'll have a better assessment on that stock. In the meantime, again, coming back to AMD, I think the product roadmap speaks for itself. We have new products coming out both for client-side PCs and data center by the end of the year. And I think the market share gains that we've been seeing that company take over the last couple of years will continue.
It has been a remarkable run for AMD, among others. I want to take you back to Intel. Yesterday, our friend Carter Worth educated us that hold often means wink, sell. Does it in this case for you, or does it really mean if you own it, you can stick with it if it is your taste to, but if you don't own it, stay away from it?
Yeah, it's more of the latter, Tyler. And I would say that Intel shares have also had a little tough time over the last 6 months or so, let's call it. And when you look at evaluation on Intel, it's gotten down to sort of near trough levels if you look at the way the stock has traded over the last 5 or so years. You do have a dividend deal. The company sounds like they're committed to that dividend payment, even with this capital-intense nature of the business coming up over the next several years. So, with that in mind, you are getting paid to wait. And so, the hold here means hold.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.